Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today guys, we are going to be discussing about a few things into the SAP S4 HANA favorite applications. Okay. So guys, daily basis as a front end user, or we can work as a materials management team as an end user. So lots of the times we are trying to create a multiple purchase orders in our day to day live there, correct? So multiple purchasing orders we are trying to create. Okay, so while creating the purchase order, so every time we are going to be entering our organization data like your purchase group, purchasing organizations, and company code. Okay, that is the common thing is there, correct? Because mostly we are using the common purchasing group, purchasing organization, and same company code. Okay, and along with that, we have the plant and storage location as well there. Correct. So every time we are entering the same data into the SCP. Okay, multiple times we can enter that data here into the purchase order screen. Okay, so today we are going to be discussing about that. So how we can just make that organization data as a default into the Fiori applications into the SAP S4HANA here. Okay, so let's try to create one entries as a default into the front end Fiori applications here. Okay, so to make try to create a one purchase order here by using the Fiori app. That is your create purchase order advance. Okay, that is your Fiori application, which is we are using to create a purchase order into the Fiori application into the SAP S4 HANA here. Okay, so this is your basic screen where we can just create multiple POs. Okay, that time what happened, guys? We are just entering this purchase group, purchasing organization, and your company code multiple times, which are the same here. Correct. So if I want to enter, I just want to manually always to select, go there, then again we have to select the purchase group, correct? So this is a time consuming activity. Okay, daily basis if we are in the same company code, that every data will be similar, correct? Then why we can just waste our time to enter this data enter manually. So instead of that, SAP has here, okay, to manage this part. Okay, so into the same screen of your advanced purchase order screen, you can go for the personal setting here. Okay, if you can click on the personal setting, okay, click on that part. So there is a second tab called as a default value. Okay, into your PO screen, whatever the things you want to set as a default, here you can see the document type for the PO we can set as a standard one, that is your NB1. Okay, that you can select. Then below you will be get the options for your purchasing organization. Okay, here we can set one purchasing organization here, which is the stand one there. Okay, we can just go with that purchasing organization. Okay, then whatever your purchase group is there, correct? So these things we can just make as a stand one there, correct? So let's see one plant we can just make as a default here. Okay, just for your understanding how we are just going to be setting these things as a default while getting the purchase order here. Okay, just select the things which you want to make as a default here. Okay, right now I selected these are purchasing organization, purchase group, and company code as a default into my Fiori application as a purchase order there. Okay, apart from that, if you want to add the more things here, that is also possible. Click on the more fields. Okay, whatever the fields you want to add here, the fields are available here. Okay, just go here, select the fields out of that. Can you see here? This is the terms of the payments options is available, currency, GR message, in terms. Okay, suppose we want to go with the currency. Select the currency which you want to make as a default. Okay, just drop down into our site. What happened? Currency should be added here. Okay, right now I don't want to select that. You can just again scroll to the your hidden fields. Okay, right now I just want the things here. Okay, whatever the fields we have selected here. Okay, this is only for your PO header data. Same thing if you want to for your item level, then you can go here as well there. Okay, standard item category is there, account assignment category. If you want to fix your plan, storage location, okay, all the options are available. Whatever you want to fix or you want to default, that you should select from the list here. Okay, right now I want to set this purchasing organization, purchasing group, and company code as a default for my this Fiori application for the advanced purchase order. I have selected the data, then click on the save. Once we can click on the save, this thing should be the default. Whenever we are entering into the advanced purchase order screen, this screen will be These purchasing or these your organization data will be the come up automatically. Okay, let me refresh the screen, come back one more time. Okay, we can just don't want to save this data here. Okay, I can just close this. Okay, we can come back. We don't want to save data. Okay, I can open the same advanced purchase order screen. Let's see it will be applicable there or not. Okay, again we can open the advanced purchase order screen. Guys, here you can see by default our company code, purchasing group and purchasing organization should be come up here. Okay, like that we can manage the things as a default into your header data as well as your item overview as well. Okay, as per your requirement we can manage this plant, storage location, whatever the day-to-day things we are continuously or repeatedly using, that thing we can do it as a default into the SAP. Thank you guys.